everyone, welcome to my channel. This was my Dollar Tree haul, the one that I did the haul of. I told you I had the shop with me and it was giving me a problem uploading it so that I could, put it together for you guys because it was in a couple of pieces, but I got it done. They had a lot of the signs that I know you guys even make crafts for, take them out and you decoupage them on stuff, or they had a lot of those. This store was really stocked on all of that kind of stuff. So they had signs galore, love you more, I love you to the moon and back. And then they also had those canvas signs too. This was one for the bathroom, soak or something, soothe, and something else, but they had a lot of those. This was a mirror that said live. It was a mirror behind that, and they just had a lot of stuff in that area. They were very well stocked, and a lot of the areas they were pretty well stocked. The glass candle holders and jars and vases, they had a good selection of those in various colors. So for spring parties and stuff, like this stuff, in the blue, the teal, or sea blue, whatever you want to call that, green. They were very nice. I'm sure there's a lot of DIYs, that kind of stuff. And then remember I showed you in a haul a while ago, there was only one of these kind of canvas prints in my store. Well, now they were stocked like crazy with them, all different kinds, geometric designs. And then it was like kind of still life, I guess, country, pottery. Look, a giraffe. And this was cup of love, cappuccino. Stars and stripes. And that's the bath print. Remember I showed you I got that a while ago, but it was the only one left in my store. I did buy that one, that Live, Love and Laugh. You can see that in my haul. They had copper ware and lots of party supplies. They're always well stocked on that. Homeschool supplies or teacher supplies. Lots of stuff there. Folders, stationery aids, all there. And then they had good supply of journals. Good supply of journals, hardcover, softcover, get it done. That was a soft cover, then it's hardcover, Live, Laugh and Love. Tapping the camera. Let's Hang Out. These were cute. I had never seen these. They were just a booklet of different kinds of papers for either scrapbooking or crafts. Those were pretty nice, and they had different designs, different covers. So that was something I had never seen. At least in my stores, I hadn't seen it. Haven't seen it. This is Killing It journal. Soft cover. And then they had a lot of notepads. Roll with it, or different magnetic notepads. And then this was an owl notepad that had an elastic that holds it shut. They had a bunch of those. I know people like owls. And then more magnetic notepads. Make it happen. I can, I will, notepads. And I did pick up that VW bus journal. You can see that in my haul. Photo paper, lots of folders and, poly folders, paper folders, all kinds of folders and things, pouches, stationery needs. Mailing envelopes. I did have to pick up a pack of envelopes. I think that those were missing from my haul. So, well, there they are. I got the security envelopes. And they have these pencil cases, but they didn't close well. That's what I was doing. I thought they looked neat but they didn't close well at all. So, and I find that a lot there. Sometimes you see a really nice case and it doesn't close. Desk calendar blotters. Good selection of those. They still had all those higher end coloring books. They had a lot of them. Like these. They had a lot of those. I definitely don't need any of those. And then they had a good selection of books, but I didn't buy any books. I get so many books from publishers and everything sent to me, so definitely don't need any books. Got some interesting ones. This Pioneer Girl looked like something interesting. And they had Cliff Notes I think there was like 2 different titles of Cliff Notes, and I think they were for like kind of classic. Maybe one was a Nathaniel Hawthorne book, and I can't remember the other one. They did have them. How the Worst Person Ever, a novel. That was a funny title. The Dark Art and different titles there on the shelf, and the coloring books. But again, yeah, I didn't get any of those, so I just kind of took this for you guys in case you're interested. Then I think those empty end caps were like where Christmas clearance or something was, or they're getting ready to put, I don't know, Easter there. I don't know what's going on there. See, there's all those framed prints that I was showing you. There was just so many of them. There was just stacks and stacks and stacks of them. Lots of colored glassware, vases, that's what I'm saying, for spring parties and stuff. They were really stocked up. They also had these those stainless steel with the twine, or whatever you want to call it, around them. So kind of a rustic or a country look. Lots of flowers. Lots of floral accessories. And then they had those kind of stainless geometric candle holders. Some wedding favor products. And stocking stuffers. See, they still had stuff in the stocking stuffers, but a lot of it wasn't stocking stuffers. They were just using the boxes to hold little things. Batteries, and then snacks, which I don't really buy food at the Dollar Tree, and I really don't buy health and beauty aids or cleaning products because I don't use that kind of stuff. I use non-toxic cleaners and everything, so. But I just went up this aisle so you can see what there is. And I'm sorry, like, for the camera angles and stuff, but the camera that I had brought, it said my chip was full. My chip was not full. These little wipes, I like these. I like to keep these in my purse. They're facial wipes, but I like to keep a small pack to use for hands and faces of my kids and even myself sometimes, because they're a nice little size. So I did pick up another pack of those. Like, those were missing from my haul. These are the coconut mango, I think, and I have vanilla or something in my purse now. Okay, and then they had socks and gloves and other things, but I said I apologize for the camera angle because then I had to use my phone, and I'm so self-conscious, really. I don't know, some of you are like, you're just talking a mile a minute and taping, and yeah, maybe if I had someone else with me, but by myself, I'm like really self-conscious of that. So usually my camera, I have another one that like will stick out of my purse fine, like on a tripod, but then that one was telling me my trip was full and it wasn't. So I had to use my iPhone 10, and that's why it's like this, because I was not planning on using that, and I was kind of like hiding it every time I came around an aisle so that no one would see me. They had this, faux silverware stuff for kinds of either weddings or any kind of party, really. Maybe a little more formal, disposable wear, you might say. And then, like I said, they had a lot of this first aid stuff, and I was looking at that. I'd never seen that glass bottle of it. It was like alcohol or something. That's what I was kind of focused on. Napkins, a lot of the Sassy and Chic. Cannot find those Simply Impressed nails that I found that one time. It was a really good deal. The ones that sell for like $6 at Walmart. Never found those again. So I think that was like a one-time item, at least for our dollar stores up here. I don't know if you have them regularly in yours, let me know, but I don't think I'll ever find this again, probably in the Dollar Tree, unless I go to one where nobody bought them up. I don't know. Some makeup and stuff, but like I said, I don't buy makeup and stuff usually from the dollar store unless it's something there that's like natural or doesn't have toxic stuff in it, because I don't use that kind of stuff, but figured I'd show it for you guys that do use it. I was just checking to see if I missed the Simply to Impress nails, but I did not. So, and then down the kitchenware aisle, I guess. Chip clips. Pot holders and dish towels. I usually don't like their dish towels because they're kind of on the rough side, and they didn't have any of the placemats that I could use for other things, like those zip bags that I showed you. So I didn't see any of those. And I was just looking at the pillowcases here because I'm going to make some pillowcase dresses, but they were all like really satiny. So I'm going to go with what I already have. Paper products and stuff like that, and again, the cleaning supplies, I'll buy brushes and things, so I needed a couple of brushes, so I did get those. The cleaners I don't buy there. Water bottles and little containers with Paw Patrol and different characters on them. Some colored dishes and things, but nothing to write home about with mugs at all. Sometimes you'll find a nice mug. These were some of the placements, but they weren't. They were like not really useful for what I'm needed for my project. I did get them at Ollie's, if you haven't seen my Ollie's haul. But I will show you something that I did like up further in the glassware. And I was surprised because I have a lot of Fiesta ware, so I was looking at these glasses, and I didn't get them, even though they seemed like a really good quality and like a Libby's kind of a glass, a nice substantial glass there. They're on the floral ones there. I thought they would go great with Fiesta ware since there's so many colors in there. I may go back and get them. I don't know. Right now, trying to get our kitchen organized with the stuff that we haven't even been able to unpack. They had wine glasses, and they also had water goblets right there. So I don't know. I'll see. But they were pretty nice. The only thing I didn't look at is if they were dishwasher safe, and if any of you have bought those, how do they hold up in the dishwasher? If you let me know, I'd really appreciate that. But this video is almost done here, so that was my trip. I do have a dollar haul from this trip, and it's posted probably a day before this if you look. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share, and please check out my hauls and my haul from this trip. Let me know if you're finding any of these items in your dollar store or if you're searching for anything. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.